Built-up flat roof felt, asphalt flat roofs or bitumen surfaces have a limited lifespan due to rapid deterioration caused by varied weather conditions in Europe. Rain, UV sun rays and snow damage break down these roofing materials, and they will be degraded by ultraviolet and ozone. It will tear, split, crack and becomes brittle with age. These roofs will leak and new waterproof roofing membrane is needed. Hypertectum is a liquid roofing membrane based on polyurethane, which is manufactured for easy application and to waterproof old leaking flat roofs. The process. First step is to clean the surface with high-pressure power wash. Remove all oil, grease and wax. All loose parts and curing compounds are removed. All cracks are filled with TectFlex to waterproof problem areas to ensure a stable base for applying the Hypertectum. Second step is to treat edges, coat around windows, air channels and air conditioning equipment with a roller or brush. Please notice the Hypertectum AR can be applied vertically without sagging. Third step is to treat the old roof with a first coat of Hypertectum. Hypertectum AR is applied with an airless sprayer or roller in a quality of 0.6 to 0.8 kilograms per square meter. Fourth step is the second coat of Hypertectum. Hypertectum AF is also applied with an airless sprayer or roller in quantity of 0.6 to 0.8 kilograms per square meter. Hypertectum is not affected by extremes of temperature or weathering influences. Installations are possible in varied climates, from the glaring sun in southern Europe to the freezing cold of Russia. With this unique waterproofing membrane, you can restore flat roofs to resist weathering for many years and can extend it for at least another 25 years. Hypertectum waterproofs immediately upon application and will take pounding water 365 days a year. The Hypertectum liquid membrane system has been tested to the highest European standard ETAG 005-2000 for liquid applied roof waterproofing kits. The Hypertectum technology offers you the following distinct advantages. Long durability, CE mark with life expectancy of more than 25 years. Fast installation, labour savings. No embedment fleece or fibre required. Excellent adhesion to bitumen, felt, asphalt or concrete and EDPM rubber. Resistant to temperatures of -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. Very high flexibility, 400 to 600%. Protect your flat roof with Hypertectum membrane, the ultimate flat roof system for that extra strength. Talk to our specialists. Visit our website.
When damp gets into and under roof tiles, the functionality, appearance and look of the roof is adversely affected. When damp and moisture penetrate through porous roof tiles, your roof will be a breeding ground for green growth and dirty mold spores. This can result in decomposing roof tiles due to frost damage and lead to humidity problems. Wet roof tiles are also ineffective at keeping heat in. With this unique one-coat nanotechnology formula, you can protect all kinds of roof tiles, such as slate, clay, terracotta and concrete from damp penetration for more than 10 years. A super dry application will create a barrier against damp and create a self-cleaning surface that will improve the functionality, appearance and look of your roof. The unprotected roof tiles pick up dirt. The protected part of the roof tiles stays clean even without washing. How does this work? Superdry is a clear surface treatment. Superdry chemically bonds to the substrata up to 10 mm deep and is therefore extremely resistant to weathering and UV rays. while the roof surface remains permeable to water vapor. The protected surface repels water. Microorganisms such as moss and lichen and dirt find it difficult to adhere. Particles of moss, lichen and dirt are simply washed away by rain. Roof tiles treated with Superdry will protect against frost damage, be easy to clean, self-cleaning, extend their lifespan, protect against growth of microorganisms, save energy. Dry tiles are more effective at keeping heat in. Prevent salt efflorescence. Talk to our specialists. When masonry surfaces get wet, they lose their insulation properties. Cold walls mean cold buildings. Protect your home from penetrating damp and increase the thermal resistance of your masonry with up to 29% energy savings with Secotherm. With this unique one-coat nanotechnology formula, you can protect multiple substrates like brick, stone and concrete from rain and damp penetration for up to 20 years. Many governments in Europe have set targets to reduce carbon emissions from houses. It is a fact that 35% of the heat lost in European housing stock goes through the walls. Many homes have solid bricks or stone walls which are difficult to insulate. When these walls get wet through rain penetration, they become less effective at keeping heat in. Cavity wall insulation is not possible in many types of construction. Internal insulation can be impractical and can take up valuable floor space. External insulation can be costly and unattractive. For those properties where cavity wall insulation is installed, many homeowners will not realize that once this insulation becomes wet, the insulation values are dramatically reduced. Scientific studies have shown that wet bricks transfer heat twice as quickly as dry bricks, resulting in higher energy bills. A Secotherm application creates dry walls and promotes an internal barrier so heat can't escape as readily. Furthermore, a Secotherm treatment will increase the appearance and look of your masonry by creating a self-cleaning surface that will protect against dirt, pollution, damp and UV light degradation. Secotherm protects against this contamination. The unprotected buildings pick up dirt and the surface will be stained. The protected part of the building stays clean without any maintenance. How does this work? Secotherm chemically bonds and penetrates up to 17 millimeters into the substrata and therefore creates an invisible barrier to adverse external weathering influences, while the structure remains permeable to water vapor. The protected surface repels water, pollution, microorganisms. Dirt and algae will find it difficult to adhere. Particles are simply washed away by rain. Secotherm Cream is the ultimate clear thermal protection for masonry. Masonry surfaces treated with Secotherm improves thermal efficiency of the masonry by keeping it dry. Energy savings up to 29%. Maintaining thermal properties of cavity wall insulation. Reduces heat loss. Self-cleaning surface. Slow aging or breakdown. Less susceptible to the growth of microorganisms. With Secotherm, your building will stay clean and save energy. Talk to our specialists.